Hey guys, so today in this video I'm going to show you how to get a modded version of the game FR Legends. So as you can see, I'm poor, but in the mod menu I can turn on unlimited gold. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. So let's see if our money goes up on FR Legends now since I enabled that, or if it doesn't work. So I'm expecting some results, to be honest with you. So let's see what happens. So as you can see guys, nothing has happened, but it may happen. So no, where's my money? Yeah, look at that. So I'm going to show you guys how to download your device. It works on all devices, iOS and Android. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's get down into the video. So let me show you guys how to get rich in FR Legends. Shall I? So first step is going to be just type tweakmod.com. So let me type that in. All right. And then go to the search bar, type in FR, and then go ahead and press install. So now, before it downloads, it's going to be verification. This is the last step. You just need to download 2 apps, follow instructions. They're 100% for free, and they're from the official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load, as you can see. So yeah, we'll just give it a second to load up, and then we'll have our FR Legends mod installed. So yeah, let's just see what we're doing, guys. So as you can see, it's loading right now. So yeah, super cool, guys. So as you can see, it is coming up, and it's just gonna say like missing files or something. So we just need to download like 2 of these apps. So as you can see, it says missing files. So you just want to do 2 of them. So like Family Island, for instance, it's a game. It says reach level 10. Then there's Tree Lucky. You got to do a survey. Underdog Fantasy, down the run for 30 seconds. So just do 2 of them, guys, to be all set. So I'm going to see you guys later, but that's how I get it. It's super cool. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Peace out, guys. This is super insane. Actually works, brotherhood.